So it's time to download and install Xampp. Now what is Xampp? Why we use Xampp? We will discuss a bit later. First let me download it. So just go to your browser and type here Xampp download. Okay. So and enter. So the first link, just click on it. Now here it will give you so many options, but as we are a window user, so we will download it for Windows. So just click on any one of this, but the latest version is this, so you have to click on this and download it. So I have already downloaded, and you just click on it and it will be downloaded. After downloaded, we will start installation process. Now open up the folder where you have downloaded your Xampp. So I have opened up the folder and I will click on this double, but I have already installed. The installation process of Xampp is very simple. You just double click on it. After that you have to do nothing, just next, next, and it will be installed, nothing else. Okay, but sometimes it throws error. The error will be just because of some port number. If you have installed Skype, then this error will be just because of that Skype. So if you face this error, then just uninstall your Skype. After that, reinstall your Xampp and it will be solved. So after that, go to your Xampp and open up. Now as I told you that I have installed already, so I will click on it and it will be pop up. So this is the interface. There are so many things that we will discuss in future videos, but for now I will click just on that stop. This is Apache. Okay, I already started it, so for now let me stop it. So first time it will be looking like this. Now what is Apache we will discuss, but now for now just start, and it will be starting on ports 80. Maybe in your case it will be changed. So I have opened up my local host, means Apache, on port 80. So for now I will minimize it and I will go to my browser, and here I will type local host, enter. Okay, I have already created a folder by name of parent directory. So in your case it will be empty. This browser page will be empty because you haven't created a folder. Now how to create a folder and where to create a folder? So create a folder in that folder where you have installed your Xampp. So in my case I have installed my Xampp on C local disk. So here I have a folder by name of Xampp. So open up. Now the moment you open up your Xampp folder, there will be so many folders, but you have to open up hddoc. I repeat, hddoc. The others skip for now. Just open up this hddocs and here create your own folder. Control Shift N. So I'll give PHP tuts. Okay, but I have already created by that name, so let me rename it by just Noor PHP tuts. Okay, so I have created this. Now I will open this, and in this folder I will open up my VS Code, in which we will do PHP programming and PHP coding. But I will delete this folder because I have already created a folder by the name of PHP tut, in which I have done one basic program. So I will write here Control Shift right click so that I could open up VS Code, and command type here code dot enter, and it will open up your VS Code. So this is our folder by name of PHP tuts, okay, in which we have created one file by the name of tut.php. So I will create here tut2, means tutorial2.php, and enter. So let me zoom it. Now we will discuss the basic syntax and first program in the next video deeply, but for now just we will create a basic message. We will display a basic message so that we could understand the Xampp, that is local server. So I will use the basic syntax of PHP. This is the basic syntax of PHP that we will discuss in the next video in detail. So whenever you want to display a message in PHP, you have to use echo, okay, and double quote write your message. So this is my first pro in PHP, and after that don't miss, if you are using PHP then don't miss semicolon, otherwise it will give you an error. After that you have to shift press Ctrl S so that it could be saved, because you can't open up your PHP program directly from here in your browser. You have to search for it. So go to your browser and let me remove all this so that we can understand from basic. Now I have created a website on backend and frontend in PHP. Now how to open up on my local server on my personal computer, because I have installed and downloaded Xampp. So you have to write here nothing but local host and /, and after that the folder in which you have created your file, your PHP program or whatever it is, maybe website or whatever it is. So it will suggest you, if you have already typed here, it will suggest you that folder, because I have already typed it so many times. So let me enter and it will open up this. Now we have two files, tut1, tut2. So I will open up this and here it will give me that message that I have wrote in my PHP tut number 2 program. This is my first pro in PHP. So in that way you can display your message, that we will discuss a bit later in the second video. But for now let's discuss what is Xampp. Xampp is a local server created by, developed by Apache friends. Why we use Xampp? We use Xampp because it provides at a time in one MySQL, PHP and Perl. That we will discuss what is MySQL, how to use MySQL and how to use database. That all will be covered in future videos, but for now just understand Xampp. Xampp is a cross-platform server, web server, in which you can test, you can display your website before publishing them on your remote server, remote web server, because it is local web server and you can use it on your local, in your personal computer. So when you want to check your website before publishing it on remote web server, then you have to use Xampp, because it will be better practice that we will be going through in the upcoming videos. So some points are here. Xampp is simply a local host. Local host means that you can use it on your personal PC. Local server runs on your personal computer, whether it is a desktop or laptop. It is used to test clients or websites before publishing them to a remote web server, as I have already mentioned. On a local computer, the Xampp server software provides a suitable environment for testing MySQL. So Xampp is nothing but it will give you the best opportunity to test your website before publishing it on your remote web server. Okay, so that was all about Xampp. Now this is our Xampp. So as I mentioned a bit ago that, okay, let me remove all this from here. Okay, you can make it bigger as you wish, you can make it smaller. So there are so many options that we will discuss in upcoming videos. So for the first time when you want to install Xampp, maybe it gives you an error, and that error will be just because of your Skype. If you have installed Skype on your PC, on your system, in that case Xampp can be throw that error. Okay, so for now it's all perfect. I think it's enough. So we will start PHP from basic to advanced, and we will do at the end so many websites, so many projects. So see you in the next video.